All right, welcome to the Flamingo on South Beach. I'm gonna give you a quick apartment tour of where I'm staying at for the next month. It's a one-bedroom apartment on the 11th floor of the Flamingo on West Avenue. Kitchen area right here, pretty simple. Over here, basic living area, a little dining room table, refrigerator. Do some workouts right here on my yoga mat. Nice couch right there, big screen TV. And the best part is the view. Come out here. And so this is this building is like huge. Got three separate towers: South Tower, Mid Tower, and I'm in the North Tower right here. And then of course you got the Biscayne Bay right there. So nice little view, Port of Miami. Nice and sunny day here in South Beach. So we're gonna go check out the bedroom, and then we'll go walk around the property and check out the amenities. Here's the bathroom. Pretty simple. Stood up, awesome. And here is the bedroom. You've got two walk-in closets, and obviously a king-size bed, blackout curtains, and a big screen TV. So pretty cool setup for the month. Good times. Time to relax. Time to go check out the pool. All right, here's the middle of the courtyard. As you can see, Biscayne Bay, nice little courtyard grass area. And we're gonna go to the South Tower where the pool is real quick, okay? All right, just got to the pool. So this is the main pool at the Flamingo. Pretty cool. Nobody's really out yet, but we'll probably get busy a little bit later.